So hi all of you. Today actually I will discuss about the final year project that is done by my student and this project title is design and implementations of solar monitoring system. So I will discuss all the details about the project, how the student approach, how to motivate, what are the objectives and the hardware model. Basic thing is the hardware model where the components are purchased, all the details of the component used. So one by one my student will explain all the things, so very clear, so all of you watch very clearly all this video. Okay. So okay, let's introduce one by one.
Hi, myself Jeetu Bedia.
Hi, myself Gulshan Kumar.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonu Raj Singh.
So okay, actually first thing is the what is the objective of this project?
Okay, so objective of our project is to design and implement the IoT based solar monitoring system in which we measure the parameters such as current, voltage of the solar panel and collect this data and transfer it to the internet through a website called ThinkSpeak. Here you can see that this is the website ThinkSpeak, where we can see the online data, real-time data of the solar panel such as current and voltages.
So okay, let's discuss about how this data is obtained. So let's see. This is the complete our hardware model. So objective is very clear, I think. So first, introduce about the component. Okay, what are the components you have used? One by one, tell me what are the different components you have used.
Okay,
So,
look that.
So okay.
We have used different types of component in this project. This is solar panel, and this is microcontroller, Arduino, and current sensor. This is voltage sensor, and this is LED, and this is LCD.
LCD display.
Yes.
For measurement of the voltage and output, current voltage like that. Okay. So you will just try to explain very clearly, so that if any student have watched, suppose they are watching any students of B.Tech final year of any university in India, abroad, anywhere, so that get benefited from this model.
Yes, sir.
So okay.
At first, we measure the voltage measure the voltage and the ampere through the voltage sensor, and this is so. Firstly, solar panel is connected to this, and this is the voltage sensor pin, and this is the ampere pin, and so these data are get into the Arduino, and Arduino then send the data to the microcontroller.
Microcontroller, okay.
And also send the data to the LCD to show
Actually,
the
we have
voltage
find out
and
the
the current.
output. Okay.
Yes. And also LED is used as a load to measure the amperes.
So for protection, we also use the resistance. So
Yes.
that it will
Protection. Okay.
So it will not fuse bulb.
So okay, can you explain the block diagram, basic block diagram?
Okay,
Okay,
so this is the
alright.
basic block diagram.
Okay.
First, here is the solar panel connected to the current sensor as well as voltage sensor. So all the current and the voltage will sensed by these sensors, and this sensor will send this signal to the Arduino Nano,
Okay.
and this Nano will convert this analog signal into digital signal, and they transfer to the microcontroller, that is ESP8266.
Okay.
And this will upload to the internet. There is a website called
Cloud.
ThinkSpeak.
Think.
Speak.
Okay. That software, that website we have used for the
Yes.
real-time monitoring.
Yes, yes.
Okay. This is enough.
Yes.
So okay. Now, okay. So just circuit diagram. Any circuit diagram you can just explain the circuit diagram.
Circuit diagram, sir, here is only our project.
As per the hardware setup, hardware implementation, so these are the hardware component actually used. Arduino Nano, solar panels, so node MCU, ESP8266, this is the controller. Now the current sensors,
This is the description of all the hardwares.
current sensors, voltage sensors, and the LCD display. And we will explain also the where we have purchased. Also we will show.
Yes.
So okay, now this is the Arduino Nano. The ratings are given here. Current sensors rating is also given. Voltage sensor ratings and the details is also given here. Solar panel modules. So we have used 20 volt and 6 watt solar module panel. So microcontroller node. This is the ESP8266. Operating voltage, supply voltage, digital input output pins here, analog input pins, flash memory. All details is given here. So also display measurement and character weight, all the things details here. Hardware setup already we have explained this one. Hardware setup already explained, and connections are also done here. And this is the working model. We can check here. This is the current now voltage of the real time. Okay. So here this is the working model. See, and solar panel is also connected. So you can show the real time which software you have used. So okay, this is the
We are using the software called
Think Speak.
Think okay.
And
Here we can see the date.
we can see the date and time.
Okay, just
the real time data.
okay, real time. This is the today 14th June. Okay, very good. So real time, the what solar panel have generated the current voltage power. So you can measure from anywhere in the world.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You can see
If you
from-
have internet, you can access it.
Okay. From the internet, easily we can access anywhere. Basically, these are very important for I think the rural area, na?
Yes,
yes, yes.
Huh?
Where-
Rural area, where
the
there is
regular
no
visit is not
manpower, as a
possible.
regular visit is not possible. Then people simply by using the web, mean internet,
Yes.
and any suppose agriculture, any solar panel is there, inverter is there, so can easily simply by monitoring this website or simply this hardware model, what amount of power generated and what current voltage is generated day by day or time to time. Simply by using this proposed technique, we can easily monitor.
Yes.
This is in a project.
Yes,
Very good. So now let's see the where the my students have purchased all this component. Now this is from Amazon, na?
Yes,
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 sir. We have all purchased all the
This
equipment
is the
from the
microcontroller.
Amazon.
So okay, we will also give link in the my YouTube channel in the description. You can
This is
from
the
there to you can
microcontroller.
access the.
This is
If
the
we suppose you want to
microcontroller. Yes.
purchase, then we will give in the link. Okay, in the YouTube channel description from where we have all these components. You can easily purchase. So we have purchased from this one, na?
Yes,
Just
yes,
scroll
yes.
down.
This is the microcontroller.
ESP8266.
Okay.
This is the
very good.
next.
And this is
This is the current sensor. This is the current sensor ACS 712.
Okay.
This is the voltage sensor. This is the solar panel.
and
Next.
Next is
LCD.
And
Next.
then we have Arduino Nano.
Arduino Nano.
Okay.
And the last one.
This is the
So,
breadboard
okay.
and the breadboard and the wires.
Okay. So this is the complete project, but I want to know what are the conclusion and any future scope like that. Also, one thing is very important. After conclusion, okay, we have a also observation table from we have noted down. You just show me observation table in just below. Okay. Achha, okay, in which we have different day and different time we have measured the
Current and
voltage. So this is the observation table that my student have observed in different time durations, that what the solar panel this is the real time. This is the simply real time monitoring. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, online monitoring, simply online monitoring. So okay, this is now very good project and everything is very clear and component details, all the thing. So now, for just you tell me now in simple word, what are the conclusions of this project? Okay, you just tell me.
So conclusion of this project is to implement the how the voltage and current is generating. And on the basis of this, we can calculate the maximum power or the average power. So from this, we can evaluate how much energy can be generated, in which time, in which weather condition, and also we can upload. So the conclusion part. So the conclusion of the project is to calculate the current and the voltage of the solar panel. And after calculating these values, we can evaluate the power generation during the morning time, afternoon time, and the evening time. And from this data, we can calculate how the power is generated, and we can meet the supply and demand chain.
So okay, I think I hope this project will be beneficial for all the students in India, abroad, everywhere.
Yes. Yes.
Those who are watching this video, because we have completely provided all the details, circuit diagrams, hardware component, from where we have purchased all the details.
Yes.
So okay, thank you all students.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.